All right, today we are talking about two very important words when we are talking about stories. They are theme and topic. Now, the topic is what the story is mostly about. So when we ask you for the topic, what is the story about? The theme is the lesson that you take away from the story. So, is the story teaching you something? When you think about the story, does it make you feel like you should do something different? Maybe if the story's theme is to teach you to always be kind, that would be the lesson that you're learning is to teach you to always be kind. So, topic is what the story is about, but theme is the lesson you learn from the story. So, when you're thinking about theme, think about what did I learn from the story?